If you've ever gone down the rabbit hole of searching for an RV or campervan shower, chances are you've stumbled across the name Tetravan. These folks have built a serious reputation around a clever, compact shower system that's made waves all across the US, and for good reason. Showers are kind of their thing. Back in 2023, though, something a little unexpected popped up. Word got out that Tetravan was working on a concept travel trailer, one that wasn't just about the shower anymore, but about showing off what they could do if they designed an entire camper from the inside out. Everything you saw inside was Tetravan's handiwork, with the exception of a few appliances and the outer shell itself. That shell came from ATC Trailers and was based on their Raven series, an all-aluminum platform. Once Tetravan got their hands on it, they completely reimagined the interior. Fast forward to today, and that trailer is nowhere to be found in their product lineup. The original webpage is gone too, leaving us with only a handful of Instagram photos and a bit of early coverage from when it first surfaced. Even so, there's still enough out there to paint a pretty clear picture of what this camper was meant to be. The whole idea was to create a luxury mobile base camp, something that felt more like a private yacht on wheels than a traditional travel trailer. Whether they nailed that or not, I'll leave up to you by the end of this video. Inside, the vibe leaned heavily European. Rounded corners, smooth furniture lines, and a raised sleeping area with a massive storage bay tucked underneath all help sell that upscale feel. Subtle LED lighting down low added to the atmosphere, giving the space a soft glow that really did feel more yacht than mountain camper, which is funny considering Tetravan is based in Colorado. Up front, in that wedge-shaped nose, they built a modular workspace and cooking area. The cooktop was integrated right into the counter, and once you were done cooking, you could drop a lid over it and instantly turn the space into a desk or dining surface. Big windows wrapped around the front, so whether you were working, eating, or just zoning out, you always had a view. A side door made it easy to step outside and let dinner settle. If friends tagged along, there was a small two-person dinette in the living area. It was modular too, and could convert into a single sleeping spot, though I imagine most couples would use it as a reading nook or, let's be honest, a couch for cooling off after a disagreement. Along the right-hand side of the trailer sat the rest of the galley, keeping things clean and minimal with a sink, fridge, and storage. And yes, Tetravan's signature shower system made its appearance as well. It lived just behind the ladder leading up to the bed. When it was time to rinse off, you'd drop the shower pan, pull the curtains down from the ceiling, and you were good to go. Even a cassette toilet was cleverly hidden under the forward seating. After cleaning up, the whole shower tucked neatly away again, and you could climb up to bed. Before turning in, you could swing open the rear doors and enjoy a wide-open view of the night sky, which honestly sounds like a perfect way to end the day. The next morning might start with coffee outside under the awning, followed by a lazy breakfast. Later on, you could pull the e-bikes out from storage under the bed and go explore, while the solar setup quietly soaked up energy to power the lights, pumps, AC, furnace, and fridge back at camp. So why didn't this camper ever make it to market? From what we know, it was always meant to be a one-off concept, a proof of what was possible. Eventually, Tetravan even put it up for sale, reportedly asking $85,000. Would you pay that for a camper like this? Most people probably wouldn't, and that likely answers the question. In the end, Tetravan went right back to what they do best, their folding shower system. It's compact, easy to integrate into custom builds, and it works incredibly well. It's been so successful in the US that they've even taken it overseas to Europe, and I wouldn't be surprised if Australia is next. So if you're thinking about upgrading the shower in your camper van and don't know where to start, Tetravan's $2,050 system might be worth a look.